This wild party game for up to 5 friends is Ferret Frenzy. You and your friends play as ferrets, ransacking a house for the ultimate stash. Okay, let's begin. First, shuffle the deck and deal 2 cards to each player. Then burn the top 5 cards. Oh boy, now you're ready to play. Draw as many cards as you wish. Stop at any time to add them all to your stash. Your goal, after all, is to collect as many things as possible. And the more you collect of a set, the faster you rack up points. However, there's a catch. Push your luck too far and, oh dear, you drew a frenzy. In a frenzy, everyone smacks the pile, each claiming a piece of your prize. So next time, snuggle your way out of danger. Yoink! To steal victory from the jaws of defeat. Sneak a peek into the next room. Weasel dance to hypnotize the others.
What is she doing?
These ferret-approved mischievous tactics will help you protect your stash, steal yourself an advantage, or commit heinous crimes. Cheeky bugger. If you're a fan of blackjack, spoons, and ferrets, then you simply must play Ferret Frenzy. Help us bring Ferret Frenzy to life by being one of the first to back the Kickstarter campaign.